What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Unbox Anything channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the world's smallest fidget spinner from Wish. And before we start, guys, we want to subscribe. We're up to 13 subscribers, so thank you for that. And at 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so definitely subscribe down below. But here we go. They always come in these little small weird packages from Wish. Okay, so we got like a felt little bag. Comment down below at the end of the video if you guys would want to buy one of these or no. I'll always leave a description or link in the description for the fidget spinner or whatever item I'm unboxing. Definitely subscribe down below, guys. Okay, looks pretty small. Would you guys say this is the world's smallest fidget spinner? I don't know. It's like a gear design with plastic on the outsides. It's a gold color. Do you guys hear that? If not, it's alright. It's a very satisfying sound. It's alright. It's not the best fidget spinner, but it's pretty small. I mean, look at that compared to my hand. It's pretty small. And I guess if you're a fidgeter, you're gonna want one of these. This could be thrown in your pocket, smallest pocket you can get. That is awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to switch to another camera and show you guys my setup for my tripod, which you guys recommended for me in the comments. So if you guys want to recommend anything else, or recommend another product that I could review or unbox, then definitely comment down below. So I'll switch over to the next camera and I'll show you my tripod setup. And here we go, guys. Here's my rig. This is what I bought from Wish. I bought this clamp and tripod air thing. It is very bouncy, as you can see like that, so I have to make sure it's steady and then I'll let it go. I'll start the video and I'll stop it, but this is my setup. I have the iPhone 11. You can see it there. Just a normal desk light, the tripod, and a desk. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed, and definitely hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below and leave a like. Thanks guys. God bless.